Do you know many people are having trouble with getting sound from their Furrion soundbar in TV mode? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Select TV mode. Ensure your soundbar is set to TV mode by pressing the mode button until TV is selected. Step 2. Adjust volume. Increase the volume using the volume plus button and ensure it's not muted by checking the mute button. Step 3. Check zones. Toggle between speaker zones using the zone 1/2 button to confirm the correct zone is active. Step 4. Check connections. Verify all audio cables between your TV and soundbar are securely connected at both ends. Step 5. Reset soundbar. Reset the soundbar by switching to AUX IN mode and holding the mode button for over 6 seconds. Follow these steps and your Furrion soundbar should restore sound in TV mode. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Furrion users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.